Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sierra Cheyenne, and I know some of y'all are looking at me like, why does her hair look like this? But this is actually a old wash and go, so I'm gonna be doing how I do my everyday puff. So if you would like to see how I do my everyday puff, continue to keep on watching. So, um, if you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. So for what I use for my high puff is I use some Eco Styler gel, which is the 10 maximum hold. I use a hard brush. I use my spray bottle, and I also use a stocking. Now some of y'all probably wondering like, why are you using a stocking? But it holds my hair really good in the back. So but you could use like a shoelace, stocking cap, a hair tie net that like the ones that are easy to like stretch when you pull it around your whole head. But yeah, that's what I'll be using. So first I'm going to spray my whole head to revive some of these curls. And then I'm gonna brush my hair up. Then I am going to just put some gel on the back of my hair. Make sure it's really smooth. Then I'm gonna do the front of my hair. Then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and pull out my hair in the back. To make sure you can see it really good. Then I'm just going to take my black hair tie net thing. My hair stocking, really, that's what it is. And then push it all the way up. Then I tie it in the back. And I let it fold over in the back, and I pull it out wherever it needs to be pulled out. If y'all see me looking this way, it's because the mirror's right here. And make sure my back is really good, because my kitchen will fly out. And that is basically how I do my high poof. Now, I sometimes look at the back of my hair to make sure I got it all. But, yep. Looks good, looks good. Yep. So that is how I do my high poof, or my poof period. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go put some earrings on, and I'm gonna show you guys the final look. So guys, I did go in my room and get some big hoop earrings. And big hoop earrings always brings out a high poof. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be trying to continue to post. I have slacked off because of other reasons that have made me stop, really. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also subscribe to my channel and to me and my boyfriend's channel. It will be in the comments down below. And also, if you guys want to see any type of requested videos, also make sure to comment those down below as well. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.